Uben Nefer. Alright, so here is the global prayer, the global offering of cosmic chimes and chanting for day 10 of 21 days of self-care and global prayer, healing from post-traumatic slave syndrome. And today's edition is based on the myth of HetHeru with Ra and Djehuty. And this is an offering to help us wake up from our addiction to this illusion within an illusion, to rise up and step away from values and systems and protocols and practices and customs that are on ma'at, that are opposite of life, opposed to nature, opposed to natural living, opposed to humanity. That would be my prayer, that we're able to wake up and rise up from this and shake it off. Like the Rush of Charity, wake up to our royal personality, wake up to our divinity, return to our divine state as children of Ra, children of life, children of creation, living in time and space. Like, what is it? The dual, we need to have a dual existence, dual divinity, Neter, Neter-T, where we're aware of what's going on in our physical world and in our spiritual world. It seems like it's one or the other. We need both. That's the caduceus with Aset and Nebuchadnezzar. Spiritual existence and physical existence. We need to wake up to that. That's the Great Awakening, okay? Do a Ra, do a HetHeru, do a Djehuty, do a Ra, do a HetHeru. Do a Djehuty, Nukpura, Nupu HetHeru, Nupu Djehuty, Nukpura. Nupu HetHeru, Nupu Djehuty, do a Ra, our Creator. Do a HetHeru, the power of the life force. Do a Djehuty, divine intellect, brings us back to our divinity. Do a Ra, do a HetHeru, do a Djehuty, do a Ra, do a HetHeru, do a Djehuty. Nukpura. Djehuty. When I lose my way, I open up to the cosmic mind. I forget what I am and return to who I am. Do a do a HetHeru, do a Djehuty. Nukpura, Nukpu HetHeru, Nukpu Djehuty. Good job.